Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and farm Kriya airdrop. Now Kriya airdrop would be on the SUI network, and in order to farm this airdrop you will need a SUI wallet. So as you can see, I already have SUI wallet on my Chrome browser and I've connected it to Kriya desk. Now the first thing that you will need to do is you will need to head to airdrop section and you will need to go ahead and mint this Chakra NFT. Now if you use my sign up referral link in the description, it will cost you only 2 SUI for minting this NFT, else it will cost you like 5 SUI. Now once you have minted this NFT, simply head to trade and try to swap like 7 SUI for USDC. Now please note that in order to farm this airdrop, at least have like 25 SUI in your SUI wallet. Now once you go ahead and swap this, simply head to strategies, and as you can see, there are a lot of these strategies which will give you this Maya rewards. Now you can go ahead and do some leverage lending and also LP rebalancing and deep book. Now head to liquidity, and as you can see, there are a lot of liquidity pools over here where you can actually provide liquidity in order to earn this Maya rewards. Now these Maya rewards would be used in order to farm the airdrop. So once you get enough Maya, you can go ahead and burn Maya in order to earn the Chakra score. Now the more the Chakra score you have, more the rank you would be having. Simply head to portfolio and go to vaults, and don't forget to add SUI to USDT in the vaults as it will give you Maya. Now please note that they are giving around 5 million Maya points for minting the NFT and also 5 million for this vault position. So simply keep on earning Chakra points, and then once you have enough Chakra you would be getting a decent airdrop. Because in the past we have seen that SUI network airdrops have done a pretty decent job. For example, there was this scallop airdrop and also NS airdrop. Now to be honest, it has fallen down a bit because of the market correction, and also we have seen like bluefin airdrop was also there. So there are different strategies and you can start lending on Kriya, and hopefully we can see a decent airdrop of Kriya desk in the future. And if we talk about KSUI, this is basically a liquid staked SUI which will earn you APY of around 10%. And once you invest in this strategy, you will be also getting this SUI lend and also Maya points as additional rewards. So this was just a brief as to how you can go ahead and farm the Kriya airdrop. And this is all for this video. And in case if you have any doubts or questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.